This is the Sundpey Cordless Power Drill Set. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. Arrived safe, really nice looking packaging. Everything had its own little place in there, surrounded in styrofoam. Inside the kit, you are going to get the cordless drill itself. It is about 6 inches long at this point, and it's a little over 9 inches tall when you got a battery on there. You are going to get 3 wood drill bits, 4, 5, and 6 millimeter. 3 high-speed steel twist drill bits, 4, 5, and 6 millimeter. Good for wood, metal, or plastic. And you're going to get 2 flat style bits, spade bits, 10 and 12 millimeter. You're also going to get 1 8 millimeter masonry bit. You're going to get 10 screwdriver bits, 3 different size flatheads, 4 different size Phillips head, a couple of Torx bits, 1 for a smaller socket. And you're going to get 1 200 millimeter flexible shaft. This is actually kind of cool. You can actually pull this back, bend it, get you different angles. You're going to get about a 3-foot long battery charger. While the battery's charging, this light turns red, and when it's fully charged, it turns green. And with that, you're going to get 2 2.0 amp hour batteries. Good for seamless swapping. You're going to have one on the charger while you have another one in the drill. And to charge them, you just plug them in right here. Super easy to take on and off. You just press the button, slide it on and off. The batteries take about 1.5 hours to fully charge, and you're going to want to fully charge both of these batteries before the first use. And of course, you get the instruction manual. So I like the feel of this. It feels good in my hand. It weighs about 2 pounds, 2 ounces without a battery in it. And it bounces out real nice with the battery on the bottom. It weighs in at about 2 pounds, 13 ounces. I like the smaller profile because it's great for doing stuff around the house, hanging pictures and all that, building furniture. So I guess the body's made of some type of ABS material. We have a rubber textured handle, and it's actually has grips on it, and it feels good. Trigger feels nice. Your reverse and your forward switch right here on the side. We have a 3/8 inch 10 millimeter all metal keyless chuck for quick bit changes. I like that. You can see when I hit the trigger, the built-in LED light comes on. You can turn it off with this button if you want. And also on here, you can monitor your battery level, and you can see I've got 4 bars on here. The drill has a brushless motor delivering up to 620 inch-pounds or about 70 Newton meters torque, and it has an impact rate of about 19,000 blows per minute when you have it on the hammer setting. It has 2 speeds. There's a switch right here, 1 and 2. You got the low speed on setting 1 here that gets you 0 to 400 RPMs for your low speed jobs when you're using it as a screwdriver, something like that. And we have speed 2 for the high speed stuff, which gets you 0 to 1800 RPMs. And it has a 3-in-1 selector switch. Right here we've got a screwdriving for screwdriver mode. Flip it over till it clicks. It goes into drilling mode. Flip it over one more time, and you can see the hammer icon, and it goes into hammer drilling mode. And on top here, there are 23 different torque positions. So you don't strip a screw out. Have a little lanyard on here if you want to hang it up. There you go. This kit would be great for around the house DIY projects, household repairs, light masonry stuff, woodworking. I like using these drills to assemble furniture, hang pictures around the house, stuff like that. Very nice.